Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, today is Saturday again and a very happy weekend to all of my subscribers. So today is Saturday again after 5 days of hard working. Again the weekend comes and today's vlog will be a very simple vlog, that is that I am going outside just for a dinner everyone, because already the time is 7:49. So I'm just going outside for a dinner and might be if any other places, if it is possible, means if the time covers, means. So yeah, that's it. I hope all are doing good, and yeah, let's start the vlog without any further ado. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel everyone, because each and every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work, and I keep posting shorts also guys, so please show your love to those shorts also, because I love doing YouTube vlogs as well as YouTube shorts. So without any further ado, let's start the vlog. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, the time has been now 7:45, around 8 it is going to be, and I am now going for a dinner because it's weekend. And yeah, that's it. Please watch the vlog until the end. So I'm going to the best reviewed restaurant near me. So I'm going to go to that restaurant and I'm going to give you the honest food review of that restaurant. So please, sorry guys, one bike went. So please watch this vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep continuing watching my vlog. Everyone, here there is a dog beside me, because this is the street dog and I give everyday food to the street dogs. So again, that is the message. Please give food to the street animals if it is possible for your means. So yeah, that's it, just a small message. So since I was coming outside, he also came just now for the food. So I give them food every 2 times every day. I always try to give, even the main road, so constantly vehicles are coming. Sorry for the interruption. So I give them food every twice in a day, every time. So that's it. Now I'm going outside just for a dinner. It will be a very simple vlog. So please do watch the vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, I came to Pal Maru Grill restaurant. So this is my first time try here in this restaurant everyone. It has a rating in Google of 4.5. So I have searched it and I have came. So beside main road is there. So please excuse me if you are getting the sounds of the vehicles means. So I'm going inside now and definitely I'll give you the complete review, food review of this restaurant. So keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, I'm going upstairs for the food. There is a down also, there is an area, but I'm going upstairs. So I'm going upstairs everyone. Down also there is an area. You can see the area. So this is the down area, guys. So yeah, come with me. So here is the restaurant, guys. So I think it's an open sitting area. This is my first time to try. So I'll give you the complete food review of this restaurant. So come with me. So everyone, now I came to the restaurant and I have given the order of the menu, taking from the menu. So here grill items are very special. Actually I have seen the Google review and I have came to this restaurant, and the ambience also is very nice, like it's a rooftop kind of restaurant. So nowadays generally rooftop restaurants are less in number. So here it's a rooftop restaurant. So many days after I'm getting the ambience of a rooftop restaurant. So grill items are good. So I have ordered here starters, like one fish starter and one chicken starter, and biryani and thumbs up. That's it. So I hope the food will be good. I'll try the food and I'll give you the honest review of this restaurant. So keep continuing watching my vlog, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So another thing I want to say, this is the menu of the restaurant, guys. So here everything is written in very small. Lot of items are available here. So quite good. Let's try the food and I'll give you the review. So once again guys, a very happy weekend to all of you. I hope you are enjoying your weekend with your near and dear ones. So everyone, I have tried the first starter, that is the barbecue leg pieces, of which is 4 pieces, and it comes around the cost of around 375, which is affordable starter only. So the taste was really awesome. And another thing which is unique, what I felt is, because I try the food of lot of restaurants, is this glass, guys. You can see it's quite different, and it's like old time people used to use this kind of glasses. It's somewhat like this. So I like this also. So yeah, everything is going good until now. Their services is also good, behavior is also good. And coming to the price of the food, so the price of the food is affordable, guys. Like I have ordered 2 starters for each 375, and since 2 starters I have ordered, so that's why one regular biryani. Regular biryani cost is again around like same 350, 340. And Pepsi or thumbs up, they don't have any mojitos, so Pepsi, thumbs up and all. like each glass is around normal 30 to 40 rupees. So this is how the price works here. And yeah, that's it. It is very near to Boduppal. So anybody watching my video who is from Boduppal, this is a very near restaurant to you, so you can come and visit. And yeah, that's it. Now I am going to start the fish starter. I hope the fish starter will be good. And please watch the vlog until the end, and I hope definitely you will like it. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep continuing watching, guys. So everyone, the starter item which is special today for me, because after so long I'm trying some fish starter item, because most of the time I prefer to eat non-veg chicken item only. So today I thought to try some fish item. So here is the chili fish, and I will tell you how is the taste. It's good, everyone. The fish is good. It's fresh also, and they have given me the option of charcoal fish and chili fish. So I chose to take this chili fish because I've taken the barbecue charcoal. So that's why, just to add a different types of taste, I've taken this. So everyone, after the chili fish was so good, and barbecue was also good. And now I'm trying the biryani, that is the dum biryani. And one excellent thing which I like means they have given in the biryani egg also. Generally in some of the restaurants at Hyderabad, dum biryani does not include egg, it includes only chicken. But here they have included egg also, which I like, because in our Bengali style, dum biryani means one potato mandatory, egg and chicken. So I became happy when they were given that egg. So now I'm going to try the food, and I'm going to tell you how the taste is. So one bite. The taste is good, everyone. Chicken is also very nicely cooked, and the biryani flavor is also good, and it's not spicy, it's medium taste. And with that, if you take one sip of Pepsi, it feels very awesome. So yeah, the overall food is good. So this is the main course that we have taken, dum biryani. Other courses I do not have the idea, because I have not tried. But the food that which I have tried is really awesome. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm having my dinner, and please do watch the vlog until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, my food is completed now. My eating is completed in the restaurant, and to be very honest, it's now high summer in Hyderabad, and this weather, this natural air is giving so much pleasure, and it's feeling so fresh, because always in the office we are under constant AC. Even in the car also, office traveling persons, if it is office cab, means constant AC. So I was missing this kind of natural air, So I'm very happy today that I have chose this place, and this time it's coming lot of air also. So quite good vibes. It's making like it's really feeling good for me. So if you feel that you also want some natural wind, natural weather with a good food, then definitely I will suggest you to come to this Pala Muru Grill restaurant, which is located near to Boduppal. So yeah, that's it. Boduppal bus stop near it is located, and now they have given this lemon and hot water, which is in lot of Hyderabad restaurants they will keep. So yeah, that's it. Everything went well here. Now, fine. Last to conclude today's dinner, I have ordered the ice cream. That is strawberry ice cream. I have ordered as a dessert. So dessert options they are having like vanilla, strawberry kulfis and double ka meetha and all this. So I've ordered just a strawberry scoop. So that's all about today's dinner. I hope this short vlog you have liked. I tried to make this vlog today short as well as bit interesting. So please do comment me if you like today's vlogs. And yeah, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep continuing watching, guys. So everyone, this is the dessert that I have tried. First actually I have ordered mango ice cream, but after that I thought that I want to eat strawberry, so that I have ordered the strawberry, and the taste is quite nice, strawberry ice cream. But one thing that I asked them is why there is no above any chocolate syrup or anything. They have given plain strawberry only, but still the taste is good, guys. And actually there is main road beside, so might be when I'm speaking you are getting the vehicle sound. So please ignore for that. If you are getting, please do excuse me for that. So yeah, that's it. It has been already 10:30, and after eating the ice cream I'll go. And I hope all of yours weekend Saturday went well. So keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, my dinner is completed from this Palmato Grill restaurant. The dinner is completed, and it was really a good experience coming here and eating in this terrace restaurant. It was really excellent, and the food was also good. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else. The food is completed, and I hope everybody have enjoyed your weekend. And that's it. Now I'll go to the supermarket to buy some groceries. Almost it is going to close. I don't know if it is open or not. And that's it. I hope today's this short video you will like it. I have tried to be made it as simple as possible, like as fast as possible. So that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do comment me if you like today's video. So everyone, I hope you have liked today's vlog where I have shared you the normal vlog of weekend, like going outside, having some good food, and I have given the honest review of Palmaru Grill restaurant, which is located near Boduppal restaurant, sorry, near Boduppal bus stop. So the food was really good, guys. You can try the food, and the ambience also is good. The price is also affordable. Everything was good. And after that, I went for the to the fruit market and brought some fruits for myself. So that clip I didn't share because so much dust was there in the road, so I was not able to take that clip. So that's it about today's vlog. So if you like today's vlog, then please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscription to the channel is completely free of cost. So please do subscribe my channel and please bell the notification so that any kind of vlogs I do means you will get the notification. And if you like today's vlog, then please do comment me, and if something I have to improve, then you can comment me. Your suggestions are most welcome to me. So that's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed your weekend and nothing to say more. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and until the next vlog come to this channel, till then stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care.